Hi, I'm Anna Murray. I'm a rising senior at Cary Christian School in Cary, North Carolina. Have you ever wondered how a tree can transport up to 50 gallons of water up to its leaves every day? It does this using bulk flow and transpiration. These two processes help plants transport water up to their leaves without using any of their own energy and against the force of gravity. Transpiration is the driving force in water movement from the roots to the shoots of the tree. It's actually a pulling motion rather than a pushing motion from the bottom. Transpiration begins in the leaves as it's the evaporation of water molecules through the stomata of the leaves. Stomata are tiny holes in the leaf surface that allow the exchange of CO2 and oxygen gas, but it also allows water molecules to escape through the leaf. Now, on days when it's really dry outside and the humidity is low, there's more water concentrated in the leaf than outside the leaf in the air. That means that by diffusion, water will flow from the leaf out into the air. Now, when these water molecules are evaporated, more water molecules will want to flow into the leaf to fill their empty space. But this creates a tension because they keep getting evaporated. Now, this tension can also be called a negative pressure. This is where bulk flow comes into play. Bulk flow is the movement of water from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure or negative pressure. This means that water will naturally want to flow from high to low, here to here. Bulk flow is not the main driving force, transpiration is. And transpiration only works because of water's polarity. Water's polarity means that its oxygen atoms have a partially negative charge, while its hydrogen atoms have a partially positive charge. This means that individual water molecules will be attracted to each other because of the hydrogen positive and the oxygen negative. These will be attracted because of their opposite charges. So this allows water molecules to form a chain or network that allows them to stick together. This is called cohesion or hydrogen bonding. Water's polarity also helps with water's adhesive properties. This allows water to stick to other substances like the inside of the xylem right here, because the xylem cells are also polar, so the partial positives and partial negatives attract. This helps it defy gravity. Now, since the transpiration starts in the leaf and it's a network system of water molecules, when one water molecule is evaporated through the leaf, the rest follow up like a chain, pulling from the roots. Now, these water molecules will be dispersed into the air, and the water keeps flowing all the way from the roots up the tree. Water transport is super essential to plant life because it's needed for food. They need water for photosynthesis, which makes the food for the plant. They also need water to help support the plant and keep its structure. When plants don't have water, they can't even hold up their own weight. So this is how bulk flow and transpiration aid in water transport in plants.